welcome back to my channel. I know that it's been such a long time. As you can tell, this video is going to be a live update and I'm gonna update you guys on everything that has happened in the past 3 months. If you follow me on Instagram, you might probably already know what has been going on, but if you don't follow me, you will find out in this video, I promise you. So one thing that I noticed in life was that, is that you have to be very consistent in something if you want to be successful in it. And that is something that, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for sticking through this with me. I have always had phases where I was uploading all the time and then I just kind of crushed. All of that probably had to do with my anxiety that I deal with, and once I even uploaded a video explaining about my anxiety and then I deleted it because I was like, no, I'm not gonna let anxiety control my YouTube channel. I don't want that anymore. I noticed that you have to be really consistent, and my anxiety didn't really allow me to be successful in anything because I would just crush and just be like, no, nothing is working out in my life. And if you have anxiety, you know what I'm talking about. Your thoughts just consume you, and that is really unhealthy. So when I started dating my boyfriend, things changed dramatically, because he's the type of person who's really positive about everything and yes, we're gonna do this, and that really helped me to change my thoughts. And when I came to Brazil, I started working as a makeup artist and I was pretty good at it. I made some good money, but it wasn't anything that you could live on it for forever. Maybe in a bigger city, yes, but here where I live, it's smaller and people just don't like spending money with that kind of stuff. I do have some pretty good clients, but you know what I'm talking about. It's nothing that you have how am I gonna explain this? People here where I live, they just like cheap stuff and good stuff, but really cheap stuff, and I have to give myself some values, and I just can't do a makeup look for $10, you know. It's not possible. As I said, I do have some pretty good clients, but it's not anything that I could live on forever. So the good thing about Swiss currency is that 1 Swiss francs is almost 4 reais here in Brazil, and there are people here in Brazil who earn $200 a month, and that is nothing, you know. It's nothing. So what I did was I took the money that I had in my savings in Switzerland and brought it to Brazil, because maybe 5k would turn into 20k or 15k, you know. And there's a fly in my room and it's flying around. No. So I took that money and my plan was to create my own lingerie brand, because I noticed that here in Brazil, bras and lingeries are just really different. The push-up is harder, it's not as soft as in the US or in Europe, and I wanted to bring that type of lingerie to Brazil. But then life just started to show me that it was not the right thing to do, you know. Life gives you signs, God gives you signs, and God just knows best, and sometimes we have to listen to that. We just have to listen to that for things to work out. So as I said, my boyfriend is really positive. He's really I don't know, really positive. And if you believe in the law of attraction like I do, your thoughts control you and your life and what you do to make things happen. And because I always had to deal with anxiety, I never got anything done. Things started to change and I just noticed that it wasn't the right thing to do. For example, my boyfriend, he always worked with fashion, male fashion, and the fly is bothering me. So once he looked at me and he was like, what if we have our own business? What if we open up a store with female fashion and male fashion and makeup? And that really scared me because in the past I have tried to open up something with my ex-boyfriend. I don't even want to mention that, but it failed completely. But as I said, God knows best and God knows what he does in your life. I took my money, he took his part of the money, and we opened up our own business, and that is why I have been really inactive on YouTube and why I haven't posted in 2 to 3 months. I do have some pre-filmed videos, but I didn't just want to upload a makeup tutorial and act like nothing ever happened. I wanted to film a live update first, tell you guys everything that I have been doing and everything that happened in these few months. So as I said, now we do have our own store here in the city where I live. It's a pretty small city, but it's giving us some pretty good income, so I'm really happy about that. We do plan on opening an online shop as well, and also a separate shop for my makeup store. Things are just working out really great, and I really hope that everything just works out perfectly. Only thing that happened that wasn't really good was that I had stopped my therapy when I was opening my business, and I really like crashed my head, because I will film a whole separate video on that, on things that happen while you're opening up a business that nobody tells you, because everyone just sugarcoats everything. And I'm gonna tell you like some true stuff that is going to maybe scare you, but I don't want to scare you. I just want to prepare you if you're planning to have your own business. Sometimes I did have some really bad panic attacks, but everything worked out great, thanks God. So tomorrow I am going back to my therapy with my psychologist, because I just, like, it's not that I'm crazy, you know, but when you have anxiety, you don't want your thoughts to consume you. And one thing that really helps you with anxiety is talking about it with somebody else, someone who knows how to help you. And that is why I'm going back to it. Like, that is also another thing that I wanted to update you guys on. I will film a whole store tour for you guys. I will film a how to open up your own business, because it's not that big thing, you know. Most of the time when you talk about opening up a business, you just think of this huge company and you have to like invest so much money in it, and it's not like that, you know. Nowadays you have so many opportunities with social media, and that you could even have your own business on Instagram. Some people are just really scared to do stuff, and trust me, like when I wanted to open up my own business, my dad, like yes, my dad was someone who told me that I was not capable of doing what I'm doing now, and of course he's always been really supportive. I think that he was just really scared of me like trying to do something else, and trust me, there will be people trying to stop you from doing what you want to do, and you should not listen to that. Like, always listen to your heart, always listen to your inner voice, because you know best. And as I said, God gives you signs. You do feel stuff. Like, yes, sometimes you will fail in life, sometimes things aren't going to work out, and trust me, you will learn so much from that. Because as I said, I did try to have my own online job like 2 years ago maybe, and it didn't work out, and that's perfectly fine. Like, I'm so thankful for what I have today, that I do understand now why things happened the way they happened. Guys, someone wants to say hi. My little baby, my little stinky baby, like she has some really bad breath and it's so nasty. So now I'm currently trying to find a routine back on YouTube, a routine back on Instagram, because if you guys don't know, I do have a makeup related Instagram account which I'm really active on. It's in like Portuguese because I am a Brazilian makeup artist, but if you want to follow me there and check out my Instagram tutorials, feel free to follow. And I have been already posting on my Instagram, and now I am back on YouTube because as I said, I didn't just want to post a makeup tutorial and act like nothing ever happened. Like, hey guys, I do have a store now and I do have a business, but it's, you know, it's nothing. No, it's really important to me, and I wanted to update you guys on that. So if you have any questions, you can leave them down below. Also, if you have any video suggestions, like business related video suggestions or makeup related video suggestions, or whatever you want me to film, let me know down below in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and to subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are happy, and I hope you guys understand why I haven't been uploading. And yeah, that's pretty much the reason why. So I will see you guys on my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for like being interested in what has been going on in my life. And I will film so many videos for you guys, like so many business related stuff and makeup related stuff, and like on how to have your own thing, how to be successful, how to have your own business at a young age, because it is possible. Trust me, it is possible. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. Bye guys, I love you so much.